Welcome you to see the living area with the kitchen area. This is the place for the living with a sofa and couches, and also here there is a dining area separated by this rotating screen. Here is an entire kitchen with a bar island as well. Details are very important. We have all the tabletop. This is a rotating tabletop, where you don't have enough much activities, you can close it. But once you have friends visiting you and you need to extension your working area more, you can just press it and turn it around. It will starting to move. So the kitchen sink invisible will be exposed from these moments, and the stainless steel faucet will lift it up automatically, which is very much silent and decent. So this space, there is a multi-function as well. All the panels, it is using the same as the car central control panel technology to do the painting, as a solid wood veneer with a piano painting, and the semi-glossy, semi-transparent glass, as well as the door panels. Here we have the snack cabinets. You have very long handle as a PU leather combined with the metal, same like the closet what we show you. And here is the storage for all type of snacks. Home appliances, which is in our function. The induction is also from here, and the refrigerator, which is a two-door invisible refrigerator, is right here. Connected with the one cabinets, here we have a transparent glass door cabinets with a long handle about 2.5 meter, which is you have very good storage spaces for all type of alcohol or the soft drinks. So it's able to help you to having the invitation for your friends and enjoy very good family time.